Welcome back to another Danny Boy Z video. Alright guys, today we're playing a story. I don't know if alright, let's just go on this one. Whoa, why can't I go on this one? Oh nice. Shut the gate because it's only like one player. Yeah, I wanna leave the gate. But there's more people. Wait, I know what you're typing in chat. Oh. Where's the most? Gate C has like 11 now. Gate B has 12. And gate A has 6. No, that's the time of them. I'm looking at the players. Alright, this one. Gate C has. No, it's already teleporting. Dang it. This one. 23. Oh, come on. Yeah, this is just a waste of time, guys. What's this? Yeah, let's go on this one. Yes! Wait, where am I? Look, they're all teleporting. Hey, what about me? I'm not teleporting. I'm looking right at the back here. Why am I not teleporting? Teleport. Okay. Alright, we're teleporting. Finally, Earth is right. Okay. I don't know if this is my internet or something, but Alright, here's a captain. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are now taking off. So, now please take your seatbelt. Wait, 1-5. Alright, I'm going for 15F. 15, 20. That's 14. You're there. Oh, there we go. Oh, 15. Oh, that's 15. C. I'm looking for 15F. Oh no, this is bad. It's still 7C. This is E. What do I do now? Okay, no, this is alright. I said I'll sit in this one, but I can't. I'm sorry, going. Oh god, this is bad. I'm an F. No. Oh, found it. It's an F. Guys, look at that. Oh, thank God I found it. No, bro, that's even G. Oh wait, is it? It's a 4. Yeah, I'm the right one. Helicopters. Feel free to get out of the seat and explore the plane. Thank you. Bro, look at my health bar. Oh, it's 150. I was at 8. So, what does on that show? Is that anything bad or inappropriate? Okay, this is scary. Who's messing with the lights? Guys, stop. Whoever is messing with the lights. Guys, this is actually freaking me out. Please do remain calm while we. Nope. No, why? Who can remain calm? This is scary, bro. This is so scary. You guys heard up to. OMG, what is that? You're going to die. No. Yep, we did. We are actually dead. Chicken nugget. What was that? Yep, he's right behind me. I better run. Oh my gosh. Just say yeah. Oh, wait. This is so scary. Bro, I am literally closing my eyes. I'm going somewhere. Guys, I just saw that dude. I'm so low. I am so low. I see that dude. I bet it's that running. Even though that dude's like hovering somehow. I need more help somehow. I don't even know what. Okay, I'm gonna get. What does this thing even do? Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Looks like we have solved the issue. OMG. Some pizza, yeah. Oh, thanks, I guess.